taking a picture of that piece that's just laying there. Taking a video. Usually audio, I'll talk about taking a more prices when you go inside with it.